So you honestly believe in me, though I wake up every night. And I've been dreaming of a second rush, while the first one leave your eye. What if you'd never been through life's young sorrow, wailing alone? What if you'd never seen through that, to the fields of her home, always rumors of a flaming town, not by parents ever trade, no, just a part of what we do out here. Subtle, early, vicious, late. What if I'd never been through fines of sorrow, wailing alone? What if I'd never seen through that, to the fields of her home? The traveling need of a wave, and the burn of salt in the cuts come around, heal again. There was always racing on that crossing street, where you'd land on quiet heels. Will there ever be a sane time to let them know how walking feels? What if we never see through crying tomorrow's wailing alone? What if we never see through that, to the fields of our home?